Hello, my friends. Can you believe it's time? It's time for another club set. And this one, if you're not hungry right now, you're going to be hungry by the end of this video because it is a yummy, yummy, yummy stamp set. Are you ready for this? I love this one. But lately, I feel like I've been hitting home runs with these because I'm just like, oh, I love that one. Oh, wait, I love that one. Oh, no, wait, I love that one too. I'm like, people always ask me, what are your favorites? What are your favorites? And I'm like, are you kidding? It's like picking your favorite child. You know, it's like you just go, oh, that one now. Oh, that one now. Okay, ready? I'm sorry. I'll stop talking so you can see what it is. It is called Banana Split to Stamp. And I had such a blast making this one. Now what we have here are 3 ice cream scoops on top of a banana in a cute little dish with a fun little spoon and a cherry on top and an extra ice cream scoop just in case you wanted to build on that banana split. Now, of course, there's dies that match because that wouldn't make it fun if there weren't, right? So here we have dies that match. So we have the dies that match this part. We have the dies that match the extra scoop. And I added an extra cherry because I'm worried you're going to lose one. So I gave you an extra one just in case. And then we have the spoon. And then I threw in the word smile with an exclamation point. Now, yeah, I went over my budget a little, but we're not going to tell Ken, okay? Because, you know, I just kind of sneak those numbers in every once in a while. And, you know, I just pretend that I didn't realize it because it's math. So I pretend, so shh, don't tell anybody. But I thought that would be really fun to have that extra just smile. You know, sometimes you just need a die that says smile. Now, club members, your stamp and die hard, if you're in the die hard, your stamp set and die hard set are on their way to you already. If you're in the stamp club, then you're getting the stamp club set, the set. So it's the same stamps, but it's the dies or the stamps depending on which club you're in. Now, if you're not in the club, what are you waiting for? I'll go to conventions and people will sign up at the conventions and they'll say, oh yeah, I watch your videos all the time and I just never pulled the trigger to become a club member. Did you know you can be in the club for only $11.95 a month? That includes the brand new stamp set each month, and you get the club discount in our booth and on our website. 15% you save on all our other products. And you also get an anniversary gift certificate when you are in the club for a whole year. And it is so much fun. We even send out little freebies once in a while. So get in the club, just start slow if you need to, $11.95 a month. Now, I know there's some of you that have to have the dies that match. I get it. That's me too. And that's $24.90 a month. But the important part is just to get in the club. Get your feet wet, get in the club because we have so much fun and the discounts. In fact, you get discounts when we have flash sale prices. You get the discount on the flash sale and then also on top of that, the club discount, which is fantastic. I know those of my club members right now are going, yeah, yep. And now that we have limited edition products, our club members only, this is a club member only benefit besides all the other stuff, is they get a 24-hour access to get it ahead of time to buy those limited edition products. So they're getting like a head start, 24 hours. So, you know, we really try to take care of our club members. We take care of our customers too, and we love our customers, but club members get it kind of like the family deal. Okay, enough talking. Oh my goodness. Are you ready for this? These samples are too yummy. I'm gonna have to go get some ice cream after this. So here we have a cute one that says, enjoy, it's your birthday. Oh, I didn't even talk about all the words you get. Let's talk about the words. So it says, it's your birthday, calories don't count on holidays, enjoy, pretty please, ice cream will make it better, with a cherry on top, I've got the inside scoop, let's chat, thanks, and you're so cool. Get it? Cool, ice cream's cool. Okay, I'm such a dork. Okay, so let's look at this one again. Oh my goodness, enjoy, it's your birthday. Isn't that cute? I love that with the little cherry on top. Open it up, and this one says, calories don't count on holidays. Here's another one, ooh, using our dotted ovals. And look at this one. Who made this one? Oh, Kristen made this one. I love how she made her own pattern paper with that little cherry. She just stamped it all the way around and made her own little background paper. And she did the stamp, and this is really fun. This is a fun technique, and I don't want you to be afraid not to try this. So on that stamp there that says calories don't count on holidays, it's a straight stamp. But because these are clear stamps, they're flexible. You can move them a little bit. Notice I'm going like this with my arms because that's what she did on this one. She made it move towards the oval. So you can, when you're putting it on the block, you can kind of guide it to go into a different shape. So if you wanted it to be a little more curvy or if you wanted it to be a little oval-y looking, there you go. Clear stamps, that's awesome. Now let's look at another one. Ooh, this one has glitter and yummy on it. Oh, I like that. And it says, I like you more than ice cream, which is kind of quite a bit, isn't it? Okay, and look at this. It's your birthday. Enjoy. Oh, here's another one where we took the word. Who did this one? Vanessa did this one, where she took the word and she made it go around the ice cream. So that's a great technique. You're not married to it being straight. You can curve it a little bit, which is fun. Let's see, here's another one. Oh, ooh, that one looks really good. I like you more than ice cream. Oh, I love that. Ooh, here's a step up. Oh, look at that with the spoons ready to go. It's your birthday. How fun is this? Oh, ooh, using foil paper for your spoon. And this is on a circle. Ooh, this is actually on the W circle. So this is the one I designed for the plate. And when I say W, because the trim around it, the little cutouts, they're not stitch lines, they're not dots, but they're little W I call them W's, but they're really little squiggles all the way around, which is fun. And she even stamped here, calories don't count on holidays, on the actual dish, which is really fun. Good job, Leslie. I love that. Oh, here's another one with an ice cream on top, because you can't have too much ice cream, right? So 3 scoops is sometimes not enough. You need an extra scoop. Well, that's what this one is. I've got the inside scoop. Let's chat. And last but not least, oh, here's another one with another extra ice cream scoop on that with a little doily on the bottom. That is so cute. Open it up. Ice cream will make it better. I love that. Now, club members, as I mentioned, yours are already on their way to you. Ken gets up extra early and he gets those out as soon as he can. He gets them in the mail ASAP. And this is a special one because we are actually traveling. So Ken is doing some little maneuvering, flying in on airplanes and doing all this stuff, and then flying back up to us. And it's going to be a crazy one, but he's going to get them out there. Don't worry. We're so excited about this. Now, we have a lot of traveling things coming up this month. Make sure you check out those things. And again, if you're not in the club, you need to join because you are missing out, and I don't want you to miss out. Now, if I went too fast on any of these samples, don't worry. You can go to our online gallery on our website, and we have all of those samples and more on the website, and I hope to see you there on the website. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.